Move out the way!
This is a mistake. Rick, I can't do this. I can't.
Listen, there's no other way. Just get it done. Just get it done.
Flag, talk to me. What's going on down there?
Amanda, she bolted.
Say it again?
She bolted!
Brother, help me. Before she kills me. Where is your heart? I will take it back. Until then you will share your power. Who help me build my weapon? It's time to whip a team out.
Dun dun dun!
Worldwide military is on alert. Our weapons are ineffective.
I thought this was contained.
All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to